Bisa na.
Ay. Jack, ano nga ulit, Jack? 3, 2, 8, 1, 1. 3, 2, 8, 1, 1. Tapos nawala yung volume. Start na. Hindi na. Good. DJ. Chuckley. Pass to Zach. Still by Urge. Nawala na si EJ. Lumipad. 2 points. EJD. Traveling. Good na traveling. Wala. Knockout. Traveling. Knockout. All zero. 9 minutes and 37 seconds. Chuckley. To Boss Pau. Sa ilalim. To JP. 5 seconds to shoot. 2. Passer. Turnover. Shot clock violation. 24 seconds violation. Foul? O, Blanca. Nauna Blanca. Kay Bala dyan, Shot clock, 24. 9 minutes. Tatlo lang na 9 minutes and 2 seconds. C. To EJ. To C. Take it. Fake. C. Lumipad. 2 points by Christian B. 2 points. 2-0. In favor of Team A. To Zach sa ilalim. Sak pa rin. Wala. Rebound by Boss Pau. Wala rebound by Christian. To John. To Christian. 13 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Dating ito, wala. Rebound by JP. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. JP, lumipad. Wala. Rebound by Mac pass to EJ sa ilalim. Block by Chuckley. Nakakuha ni Sir Urge. Take it to. Wala. Rebound by Chuckley. 8 minutes and 4 seconds. Boss Pau nauna na. 2 points by Boss Pau Jimenez. All 2 in favor of committee. Ay, pang-salsal na pala yung cellphone ko yan. To Christian. Take it to, wala. Rebound by nauna na si BJ sa ilalim. Wala. Rebound by Christian. 7 minutes and 38 seconds. Christian. 15 seconds to shoot. Tumak. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 4, 3, 2. Good. Rebound by Boss Pau. 7 minutes and 17 seconds. All 2. Lumipad si Zach. Block by Christian D. Chuckley taking 3. Wala. Rebound by D. Sipa. Bola na. TP. Oras. 7 minutes and 2 seconds. All 2. Saan natin kukunik? Dito lang saan? Huli ni Christian. Pass to Mac. Nauna na, lumipad. 2 points by Mac Tulache. 4-2 in favor of Team A. Kay BJ pa rin. 16 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. To Chuckley. 10 seconds to shoot, Chuckley. Wala. Rebound by Zach. 5 seconds to shoot. 2, 1. Foul. 1 second. 1 second to shoot. Let 14 yan. Joke lang. 14 seconds to shoot. 14. Take it 3. Chuckley, Gama. 3 points. 5-4. In favor of Team A. Tumak. Wala. Mac pa rin. To EJ. Take it to EJ. 2 points by EJD. Change favor. 6-5. BJ. Hesitation move. Take it to. Wala. by D. Christian. Christian, pass to EJ. 2 points by EJ. 8-5. Bosbaw, back to Jacqueline. Taking to 2 points by Jacqueline. 8-7. 6 minutes and 5 seconds. Isa lang ang kalamangan. Isa lang. 9 seconds to shoot. Take it 3. Wala. Rebound by Bosbaw. 5 minutes and 49 seconds. Lamang kayo. Team B, isa. EJD. Lamang ng isa. 8-7. Jacqueline. 9 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds. Take it 3. JP. 3. JP, andal. 3 boys. 10-8. 2 boys. EJD. Deadlock. 10. All 10. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. 5 minutes and 17, 14 seconds to shoot. To Jacqueline. Jacqueline, take it 2. Wala. Rebound by Bosbaw. Wala. Rebound by Urge. Last possession before change. Pag na-shoot, change na. Wala. Rebound by D. 2 points. Change court. Change court na tayo. Exactly 5 minutes. 12, 10. In favor of Team B, nila Christian and EJD. Dalawa lang ang lamang.
Huwag ka dyan.
Edge!
Balik kayo. Tira siya.
B, tas A sila, Chuck. 2, wala. Rebound by Christian. Nagmamadali. Christian, lumipad na. 2 points by Christian B. 14-10. Still by John. John. Take it 3 si John. 3. John Benedict. 3 points. 17-10. Namamagana ko ang lamang. To JP, lumipad, wala. Rebound by Mino. Rebound by Zach. 4 minutes and 30. Last, 7 seconds to shoot. Zach, taking 2. Wala. Rebound by JP. JP sa ilalim. Wala. Foul by Christian D. Ay, yung idol ko. Shout out. Ay, hindi. Nakaligo kayo. Sorry akin. Hindi nabasa akin.
Wala, di marunong.
Next game yun. Next game na kayo dyan. Next game.
Maliligaw talaga to.
4 minutes and 17 seconds. 19 to shoot. BJ spin move. Wala. Rebound by Sir Urge. 17-10 in favor of Team B. EJ. Wala. Rebound by Jacqueline. Jacqueline. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. To Zach. To Bosbaw. Take it to 2 points. 17-12. Lamang na 5. Exactly 4 minutes. Take it 2. EJ wala. Rebound by Zach. To BJ. 3 minutes and 53 seconds. 16 seconds to shoot. BJ. To Jacqueline sa ilalim. 2 points by Jacqueline. 17-14. Tatlo na lang ang lamang ng Team B. Touch pass to Christian. Intercepted kaya. Intercepted by BJ. Complete steal. Nabigay kay Zach sa ilalim. Zach. To BJ. Lumipad na. 2 points by Jacqueline. Isa na lang. 17-16. Back. Pass to C. 2 points by CD. 19-16. Tatlo lang ang lamang ng Team B. Jacqueline, 15 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. Take it 3. Wala. Rebound by 2 minutes and 55 seconds. 19 seconds to shoot. 2 points by EJD. 21-16. Lamang na 5. 2 minutes and 45. Zach sa ilalim. Libre. 2 points by Zach Mirasol. 2 points. 21-18. Tatlo lang ang lamang. Foul by DJ Manuel. 2 minutes and 33 seconds. 20 seconds. 83. Wala. Rebound by Zach. 21-18, shoutout sa mga bagong nating natin mga idol dyan. Mga naligaw, pasensya na. Hindi nabasa ni idol. Sa akin. 9 seconds to shoot. Still, 2 minutes and 14. To EJ. EJ, hesitation move. To John. Back to EJ. 12 seconds to shoot. John, wala. Rebound by Christian sa ilalim. Nakalabaw na. Wala. Last 1 minute and 54 seconds. Still by Urge. 1 minute and 49. 18, 21. Lamang pa rin ang tatlo. Ang Team B. Touch pass to Mac. 2 points by Mac. Pulache. 23-18. All alone. Post back. 2 points. 23-20. Last 1 minute and 35 seconds. Edge, 15 seconds to shoot. To EJ, libre sa perimeter. Wala. Rebound by John. John, 2 points. Foul. Walang counted. Walang counted. 1 minute and 16 seconds. Knockout. Tatlo pa rin. 23-20 in favor of Team B. 16 seconds to shoot. 16 seconds to shoot. Still, bola pa rin ng Team B. To EJ. EJ, alley-oop pass sa ilalim. 2 points by Christian D. 25-20. Lumipan na si JP. To Charlie, wala. Last 45 seconds. Edge. Wala, hindi na sila. Turnover. 40 seconds. 25-20. Still, pero foul. Foul by Urge Cabor. First personal foul by Urge Cabor. 33 seconds. 33 seconds. 5 lang po, 5 lang. 5 lang ang lamang. Taking 2 shot. Wala. Rebound ni Urge. To see, nandiyan na lumipad. Foul. Last 20 seconds. Last 20 seconds. Last 20 seconds. 25-20 pa rin. Foul by JP Antal. First personal foul by JP Antal. 19 seconds to shoot. Pass to Urge. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Panalo ang Team B. Score 25-20. Next game. Team C versus Team D. Ang Angels versus San Mateo Warriors. Ayun na. Ay, paano nga muna yung tatugtog natin, kuya? Ano? 1-0 na po ang Team B nila Christian D. Ano oras na yan?